In this video, I will show you how you can create high converting and viral ads using Claude and ChatGPT and just solely AI. And if you're new here, my name is Vincent and I started running ads around 2016 where I scaled an e-commerce brand from 50K to 150K a month solely with Facebook ads and Google ads. And ever since then, I started my own agency called Cheaper where we help e-com brands and course creators scale to 6 and 7 figures a month. So let's just dive straight into the computer. As you can see here, you just use ChatGPT 4.0, and if you go to Claude, where it welcomes you, you go to your website or your e-com website, right? And then I got a special prompt for this, is that the data extraction prompt. Basically, you copy this data extraction prompt and you paste it inside of ChatGPT. So you can do deep research. For example, nowadays, normally we don't do it. I will also just leave it open as the free version because probably a lot of people use free version of it as well. And so basically the prompt tells you on how to extract all relevant data from the given website, Facebook pages, Excel sheets, uploaded files to create highly converting, emotionally engaging Instagram Reels, TikTok scripts, and ad copy. So it is how to format it. It's like the audience insight, those type of things, the data integration, etc. And so what you do here is you go to the website, you take the URL, you paste it, then you go to the Facebook page, Instagram page, you copy it, boom, landing page is basically your product page, depending of course on what product page you have. You go to here, Instagram page, you paste it, landing page, boom, ad library LinkedIn we'll just skip for now. And then also researching an onboarding sheet. Now, if you don't have your own client ICP breakdown or a document with all your brand values, etc., I highly recommend making it. You can also make it with ChatGPT. How we do it is we have a Notion onboarding where clients come in, we have a whole automation behind it. They fill out a whole onboarding sheet, which is a pretty long form, and then we just automate it to ChatGPT, and it makes a good form out of it with all the data as well. So I will just look it up here. It makes a whole game plan. You upload it as well, and then now what ChatGPT will do is based on this prompt, it will create a whole breakdown of the ideal client, the benefits, and those type of things. So you just click on it, boom. And now, as you can see, it is extracting all the relevant data from the websites, the demographics, the income, the pain points even, that you can all use to create highly converting ads. And so that is super important. We also have our own ChatGPT that we train on countless of resources that is even better inside of marketing, right? So as you can see here, data integration, hook generation data, like sugary imposter drinks, etc., gaps or next steps, missing video, testimonials, ad data. So that's perfect, right? So what we'll do here is we will basically copy all of these things. Voila. You copy it and here you plug it into Claude. So you say you are a marketing expert that is specialized in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, copywriting, and creating high converting ads. Now you act as the CMO for Dr. Ginger. Here is all the relevant data you need. Now, of course, you might be asking, why are you using Claude over ChatGPT? The reason why I'm using Claude over ChatGPT is because Claude is actually way better at writing hooks, writing visuals, writing headlines, etc. It's a bit better in that aspect than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good for image creation, ideation, those type of things. Our own ChatGPT is pretty good at those things as well, but we still pair both of them. And so as you can see, it creates a whole core marketing strategy, blah, 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 right? Campaigns, try risk-free, creative strategies, etc. And so now it's just writing everything out. The next step that we will do now is after we wrote it down, we will ask it to create 5 headlines for a top of the funnel campaign that we can use. Why top of the funnel? Because of course a lot of people target the 3% of people that are ready to buy, but you still have 97% that are not ready to buy or don't know your brand. So you click on it, then it will start generating you 5 different headlines that you can use, or you can ask 5 different hooks, 5 different styles, or 5 different ad ideas. Now it's thinking, and also we have documents that will increase the hooks and headlines as well. As you can see, top of the funnel, your healthy ginger shot is 60% sugar. That's a good hook. Why 90% of ginger drinks are secretly making you unhealthier. That's also a good hook. The Belgian secret to replacing morning coffee across Europe. Finally, a ginger juice that is actually ginger. What happens when you stop drinking fake health drinks? So for the sake of it, we will use this headline. Here's proof. Is always a bit sketchy marketing. So we use this, and now we say to ChatGPT is use this headline to make a highly converted Facebook ad image. Now, I will show you the super basics of creating ads just by this prompt, but I will also show you a way more advanced way to creating ads. So I will do this. It will start generating ads, as you can see. In the meantime, what we will do already is we will go to Dr. Ginger, and we will take this image, we will copy that image, and we will say, make me an ad that is in the similar style as the image on the right, and use the product image on the left. Use the same style, layout, etc. of the image ad. So as you can see, not the best ads. It's still good. You can optimize the prompting even more. I'll just say this one is better. Boom. So we uploaded the product image. Now what we're gonna do is we will go to the Facebook ad library, and then we will look at highly converting ads. Now, of course, you have products, we use it as well, Ad Nova, same as Foreplay, same as any other different type of ad image creation or ad library. But for example, here at Ad Nova, we can save those things, which is pretty nice. So we will create an ad like this, but for example, we will go here and use Obvi. Obvi is a brand that tests a lot of different ads, so it's good for inspiration. As you can see, a lot of different ads, right? It is all in French, but let's use this one. We copy it, and then we paste it in here. Boom. And now we ask ChatGPT to make it. Of course, sometimes you need to prompt it a bit better. Most of the times the results are pretty okay, because it gives you a headline, USP, 3 icons and a product, and then also a guarantee. So Facebook will now start creating that image. And so as you can see, Facebook is starting to create the image and will start to use the same layout and all of those things. So it's a super powerful tool nowadays to create ads. Like designers, you barely need it. The biggest thing is though, what we usually do is we copy that image, put it in Canva and optimize it even more with the product image, because otherwise it's not the best of using image. As you can see, it's even using the same font. Ditch the sugar in your ginger shots. So as you can see here, it swapped it already. An amazing ad, not gonna lie. It even changed, this is crazy. It even changed the white, the font color to support the color. Of course, this, you can remove it, but just with a simple prompt, it creates a pretty good damn image. So what you can do now is you can say that you have to do this and this. So swap the USPs and the icons to the right and the bottle on the left. Also the guarantee sticker, right, 100% ginger, natural ginger, guaranteed. And so that's pretty epic because nowadays you can just select Facebook, the type of things that you want to change. But as you can see, it's already a crazy image. Ditch the sugar in your ginger shots. Perfect image. Like literally, I'm even thinking of using this type of image to use inside of ads. It's amazing. Of course, the background needs to be changed, so you can just ask it, okay, use a dark green background, for example. So literally for this client, we're using AI generated images, as you can see. The bottle is AI generated, the layout, and the only thing we did was take that headline, take the image, put it in Canva, and it automatically saw what type of font it was, and we optimized it. Because that way you still have control over it. Boom, if you go, dude, amazing. Of course the cape now doesn't look the best, but it even changed it. So what we'll do now is the cape. So make the cape attached to the left side of the bottle and make the background dark. Make the background green instead of pink. And as you can see here, the text as well, natural ginger. But so those things, you can select them and you can remove them from Canva and just makes it. With just 5 prompts, you basically created a marketing agency visual creator for your ads. You extract all the relevant data, makes a beautiful audience insight, the USPs, etc. The second prompt is just make a generic headline. Then you give it an ad. It creates a way better ad that you can use. And now it is just creating a third ad that looks clean. So this one, in my opinion, already looks clean. It's crazy that it's even using colors and contrasts to make it even better. And as you can see, ditch the sugar in your ginger shots. The cape, not the best, but that's okay. We can just do, I'll just do remove the cape. Remove the cape entirely. And even the text in this one, the text became better. Natural ginger, 100%. Now it's guaranteed even a bit better. But so that way, you can just use ChatGPT to create your images. It's easy. You can just go to AdNova, Foreplay, or any other thing, and you can just take ads, and it just creates ads out of it. I think I can even do something more crazy with it. I can try this. Copy the image. So it is working on it. Now create me an ad with a headline at the top using this person from the reference image. Okay, so yeah, so this is now not entirely good anymore, but as you can see, just in general, if you prompt it properly, it can work pretty well. This ad looks just amazing. And if it doesn't look good, just keep on prompting it and keep on prompting it. So let's just try with this one and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. But so it's not perfect, it's semi-perfect, right? But you can just download it and you can just rework it in general. In my opinion, this ad looks pretty clean. It has the same product image, even 100% natural, 15 servings. It's just perfect. It looks clean, it looks perfect as well. So ChatGPT, don't underestimate it because it can create pretty good images nowadays. And with the right type of research, like I always say, with the identity hooking, etc., you can just create ads even better. And so as you can see, ChatGPT, I just asked it to make an ad using this person to hold the Dr. Ginger bottle. Of course, the Dr. Ginger bottle, it's using this bottle. I should have re-uploaded that image, but in general, it looks clean. Dude, you can just use this as an ad. It even took what? It even took the same logo, Dr. Ginger. That's crazy. And if you want me to make a video on how you can create highly converting scripts with ChatGPT and Claude, and comment it down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want me to run your ads and set up our identity hooking system inside of your business, then click the link down below, book a call with me, and I'll see you on that call. Have a good one.